Hey everyone, RJ here. Welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be doing an unboxing, taking a first look at the Moto G Fast for Boost Mobile. Okay, so the Moto G Fast is a fairly new device available for Boost Mobile, and now you can buy this phone at boostmobile.com, and I picked mine up at walmart.com for only $89, and I think for $89 you're getting a really good deal here with the Moto G Fast. Now some of the specs you can see on the front, but this phone does run the Snapdragon 665 processor. It has 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of onboard storage, 6.4-inch HD display, coming in at 1560 by 720 with a 19 by 5 by 9 aspect ratio with PPI of 268. Turning the box around here, you will see a few more specs up there. 4,000 milliamp hour battery, 16 megapixel main camera with an 8 megapixel front facing camera, 4G LTE of course, and Android OS. This phone here is available on the newly expanded data network, so T-Mobile, all that here. So I'm really interested to try this phone out and see how it works. Let's go ahead, take the phone out of the box. So we get the box. There was inside the box, Moto G Fast. Had to do a little bit of prying to get this undone here. Have no tape cutting knife around me here. But there's a phone here on top. We'll go ahead and take this phone out of the box, put it aside, and we'll see just what does come here in the box. So we do have your SIM ejection tool there. Keep this little flap down here. Got some read material that will never read. A USB Type-C charging cable, as well as a regular wall adapter. Let's see if there's anything else in the box, and no, that's it. So not much, just a USB-C charging cable there, some read material, and of course your SIM ejection tool. And so yeah, let's go ahead and put all this back in the box, and we'll look at the phone. Okay, so the device is in hand. We'll go ahead and peel off this plastic. Very nice. Now the phone has a really nice hefty weight to it. It does have a really nice color here. You can't really see it on camera, but depending on what kind of lighting you're in, this white color kind of changes a little bit, and you might can see it on camera a little bit there, I don't know. But the phone looks really nice, and in a way it looks a lot like the Moto G Power. Now I never really wondered why they called this phone the Moto G Fast, especially when the Moto G Power has better specs as far as, more RAM, more storage, bigger battery, has the same processor as the G Power. But who knows? It's a good price, $89 at walmart.com. I think it's maybe the same price on Boost Mobile, but I'm not really sure. But anyway, on the right here, you got your power button, volume rocker on top, headphone jack. On the left, you have your SIM ejection slot right there. On the bottom, USB-C charging port, microphone, and bottom firing speaker. On the front, your little hole punch camera, receiver, and your 6.4-inch display. Let's go ahead and power the phone on. There's a nice bright screen there, Motorola. So yeah, I'll get this phone here all set up, and I'll come back when it's finished. Okay, so we're all set up now and ready to go. Now I did forget to mention a few things earlier. Of course, on the back there is your fingerprint scanner where the Moto dimple is, or not really a dimple anymore, but still, fingerprint scanner. Triple camera setup there, just your standard rear camera with your 118-degree ultra-wide lens and your macro lens. Really nice stuff there. Now you can turn this phone on, of course, and unlock it with your pattern, PIN, password, whatever you want to decide to choose, or fingerprint scanner. And fingerprint scanner works every single time. No problems. It works great. Now, I have already messed with it a little bit, turned dark mode on, dark theme on, whatever you want to call it. But this phone is running Android version 10. And honestly, I figured after, hook up to Wi-Fi and stuff like that, it would install a bunch of games and apps that I had to delete. But honestly, it didn't. I mean, My Boost installed, Prime Video, stuff like that, YT music, YouTube music. That's about it. Not a whole lot else. Let's pull the drop down here. I did go ahead and cut dark mode on because I like dark mode a lot better. So I'll go into the settings here for a little bit. Got network and internet. So you have your Wi-Fi, network, airplane mode, hotspot, and tethering. Got your VPN and private DNS. Display, brightness level, night light, that's the brightness. Styles, you can apply a style for your phone. Wallpaper, peak display, on or off, dark theme, screen timeout, saturated colors, boosted colors, or natural colors. Whatever you want to choose for your phone. font size, display size, all this stuff, attentive display, yeah. Sound, storage. So this phone does have 32 gigabytes of storage, 13.3 is already been used out of that, so you get around 18.6 gigabytes free, so it's not too bad. I mean, you can add SD card for your photos and videos, so not much of a problem there anyway. Got your privacy, location, security, so of course it's your pattern, PIN, password, fingerprints. No face unlock here on this device. So yeah, there you go. Accounts, accessibility, digital well-being, your Google services, your system. So this phone has your adaptive performance. So it says adaptive performance improves RAM efficiency and helps open apps faster through an on-device AI that uses context and usage patterns to determine when you'll open an app next. So nice little option there. Got your gestures. So swipe fingerprint for notifications, double press for power key, for camera, assistant, or none at all. System navigation, I choose to use just the gestures now. 3-finger screenshot, fast flashlight. By doing the chop chop, there we go. Flashlight's on. And again, to turn off, quick capture. You can twist your wrist twice open to quickly open the camera. That's still a nice feature. And swipe to shrink. Back out of there. Go advanced. It is running Android 10, so we'll go ahead and check for an update here. And yeah, it's running on Android 10, July 1st, security patch. So that's about it. You know, just your basic, Motorola phone. It does seem to be a little bit snappy. It does seem to, work just fine. No issues, nothing like that. I have to look down with apps and play some games on it, take some pictures. We'll go into the camera for just a brief moment and look around here. Now, you do have your 1x or your 0.5 for your ultra wide. Of course, it does have macro mode. If you get close to an object, it may not do it right now. It ain't going to, but anyway, got your HDR mode, your flash, self-timer, this button up here for active photos, on or off, and of course your auto mode or your manual mode. Of course, right there it is, switch to macro. So easy switch there to get too close to an object. Now going to the settings here for a moment. Photo size is 16 megapixels, 4:3, 16:9, and so on. The video size here is 4K, 4K 19:5:9, 1080p 60 frames and 30 frames, and 19:5:9, and HD quality. Front camera is 8 megapixels. You can choose between all three of the ratios here, of course. And the video size is Full HD 19:5:9, and HD, and has all the other features and levels and levelers and system grids and all that kind of good stuff there. So also, like I said earlier, twist, turns your camera on, kind of neat there. Really nice feature here on Moto devices. But that's about it here. I mean, phone dialer, it's just typical standard phone dialer that you see on all these phones. Your text messages here, messages. You got all your emojis. So if you look at emojis, they're all right here. No shortage. All right. So yeah, of course, it's showing no service. Now, it's not activated, nothing like that. But even when it's not activated, it still shows service if I have service in my area. But it's been showing that X the whole time that I've had this phone on. So yeah, kind of figured that. But anyway, this is the Moto G Fast on Boost Mobile. $89 at Walmart. Really good price in my personal opinion for what you're getting. Yeah, I think it's a good pick. So, the helpful informative anyway, hit that like button. Any questions, leave it down below. And if you're new around here, hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell for notifications for all my newest content. I sure would appreciate it. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.